What's our lesson today? What's our lesson? Sentence patterns. Today I will teach to you how many sentence patterns? Do you know? I will tell today 2 sentence patterns. Shall we write now? Okay, children. Now bring your CR book and write this 2 sentence patterns. Today I will teach to you how many sentence patterns? How many? No, not 5. Only 2 sentence patterns. Now write. Bring your writing book and write this. First write the topic, sentence patterns. Then after draw one box like this. What do you like to? Keep some dots. That's my first sentence pattern. Second one. Why you select it? Dots. What do you like? මොනවටද ඔයා කැමති? This is Sinhala meaning. What do you like? Why you select? ඇයි ඔයා එක තෝරගත්තේ? Why you select? If you want, write in Sinhala. What do you like to mean? මොනවටද ඔයා කැමති? Why you select mean select it. Why you select it mean ඇයි ඔයා ඒක තෝරගත්තේ? These are the 2 sentence patterns. Today you can learn. Then after like this, okay? What do you like to eat? Is the first question. ඔයා මොනවද කන්න කැමති? What do you like to eat? Then after give the answer. Put the star mark and write the answer. How you want to give the complete answer? Who can tell me? If one asks, what do you like to eat? How you want to give the answer? Tell me. Who can tell me? In English, I am asking.
I like to eat donut.
Don't tell the answer. Don't tell the answer.
I like
Okay.
rice.
I like to eat. I am putting dot, but you can write your answer. Write your answer. I like to eat. Whatever you like to eat, you can write now. No need to tell to others. I will use blue color. That's my first question. Then after again want to ask about that fruit or veg food. මේ පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ ගැනම තව ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහමු. Okay? Another question. What is that? Why you select it? Why you select it? ඇයි ඔයා ඒක තෝරගත්තේ? Why you select it? So that you have to give some reasons. හේතු ටිකක් කියන්න වෙයි. Okay? අපි හිතමු ඔයා කන්න කැමති. You like to eat an apple. Then your partner will ask, why you select it? Then you have to say, because I like to eat apple. It's very tasty fruit. It has 2 colors. Red apples are there, green apples are there. So it grows on the tree. So that I like to eat apple. Why? If one question start from why, answer want to give because. Why කියලා ප්‍රශ්නයක් දැක්කපු තැන ඔයාලා because කියලා answer එක පටන් ගන්න ඕන. You have to start from because word, okay? Then I will put star mark. Because you can start. Because you can tell something. Because කියලා ඔයාලා කැමති දෙයක් කියන්න. I am not writing anything. Okay, children? What want to give the answer? What is the correct answer?
I like to drink.
Yes, I like to drink. You can write. Only 3 parts enough today. No need to discuss 6 parts. Eating part and drinking part. My other part is playing part. කන්න කැමති දෙය, බොන්න කැමති දෙය සහ සෙල්ලම් කරන්න කැමති දෙය. You have to tell. Only 3 parts enough. It's better, I think. Part also. What do you like to play? ඒකට ඔයාලට කියන්න පුළුවන් හිතන්න. I like to play cricket. Why you select it? You can say cricket is very famous game. Cricket game can play 11 members. දැන් ඔන්න cricket ගැන මොනවා හරි කියන්න. First part is about eating part, second part drinking part, and third part playing part. That's all, children. Only 3 parts. Like to play. Answer, I like to play. You can tell any answer. I like to play chess. I like to play cricket. I like to play badminton, netball. ඊළඟට play කරන game එකට කී දෙනෙක් ඕනද? කොහොමද play කරන්නේ? In the ground or out, indoor or outdoor? එළියද ඇතුළේද? Like that. How many members want to play? Like that you can tell something about that game. Okay. I like to play. Okay, that's all. Only 3 parts. What are the parts? Eating part, drinking part, and playing part. All the couples want to read about these 3 parts. Okay. Don't start from the questions first. What do you like to eat? What do you like to drink? Don't ask. You have to talk with me. Or ඔයාලා යාළුවෝ දෙන්නෙක් හම්බුනාම කතා කරන්නේ. ඒ වගේ පොඩි කතාවක් යන්න ඕන. Hi, how are you? You can ask from your partner. ඔයාලා class එකේ ඉන්නව නෙමෙයි කියලා හිතන් කතා කරන්න. But in English, no any Sinhala words. Okay? That's my rule. You have to talk with in English with your partner.
Okay, teacher.
Okay? Eating part, drinking part, playing part. That's all. Only 3 parts. Playing part.
Hi, Nethun. Hi, Adesh. How are you? I am fine, thank you. How about May I ask some questions from you?
Wait, Adesh. Netum asked, how about you? Now you should give the answer.
Yes, sir. May I ask some questions from you? Okay, sure. Do you like to eat? I like to eat donut. Why you select it? Because it's very tasty and it's round shape. What do you like to eat? I like to eat rice and curry. Why you select it? Because it is a healthy food and it is our national food. Do you like to drink? I like to drink orange juice. Why you select it? Because it's very tasty and its color is orange color. What do you like to drink? I like to drink orange juice. Why you select it? Because it is orange color and it makes in orange fruit. What do you like to play? I like to play chess. It's very famous game. It's playing 2 members. What do you like to play? I like to play football. Why you select it? Because it is a famous game and it can play only 22 members. Hi, Gisara.
Hi, Tarun. Can I talk with you, please?
Yes, you can talk with me.
May I ask some questions from you?
Okay, ask.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat apple.
Why you
And
select it?
Because I like apple. It is very tasty and it is very colorful. Do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza
Why are you select it?
because it is very tasty and it is round shape. Anyway, what do you like to drink?
I like to drink orange juice. It is orange juice
Why you select it?
because the orange juice is make orange. I like orange. And what do you like to drink?
I like to drink milk
Why are you select it?
because it is very tasty and it color is white. Anyway, what do you like to play?
I like to play carom
Why are you selected?
because it is very famous game in Sri Lanka. It play only 4 members. That I like to play this game. And what do you like to play?
I like to play cricket
Why are you selected?
because it is very famous game and cricket can play 22 members and my favorite cricketer is Kumar Sangakkar.
Thank you, Gisara.
Thank you, Tarun.
You are
Welcome, Gisara.
welcome, Tarun. Okay, very good. Not why are you?
Hi, Natasha. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Senuli? I'm very well, thank you, Natasha. May I ask some question from you? Yes, Senuli. Ask your question. What do you like to eat, Natasha? I like to eat grapes. Why are you like to eat? Because grapes are delicious.
Look at my grapes. You can say.
Have grapes. Very nice grapes. Okay. What do you like to drink? I like to drink Faluda. You select it because it's tasty. What do you like to play? I like to play chess. Why do you like to eat? Because it's interesting game. Interesting game. Actually, what do you like to eat? I like to eat ice cream.
So if you have, show your pictures, Senuli.
Here, look at my picture of the ice cream. It's beautiful. Thank you, Natasha. Why you select it? Because ice cream is very tasty. It is very cool ice cream. Very much. What do you like to drink? I like to drink fresh orange juice. Why you select it? Because fresh orange juice is yummy. It is healthy drink. What do you like? It is a great source of vitamin C. Here, look at my picture of orange juice. Beautiful. What do you like to play? I like to play bicycle. Riding bicycle. Why you select it? Riding bicycle is a good exercise. It gives us a healthy life. Every day I ride my bicycle. Here, look at my bicycle.
Very good, Senuli.
I also have bicycle. Okay. Thank you, Senili. You're welcome, Natasha.
Very good, very good. They are very little couple, bred 2 children, but they did nicely. Very good.
My favorite food is orange and it's very tasty. Why do you select it? Because it's good for our healthy. I like to drink orange juice. Select it. My favorite food also orange. So I like it. What do you like to drink? I like to drink papaya juice. Why do you select it? Because it's for our healthy and it's my favorite food. Like to play? To play chess. Why do you select it? Because chess can be played 2 members. Its color is black and white. I like to play it.
I like to play chess. Say it again, Setuki.
I like to play chess. What do you like to play? I like to play badminton. Why you select it? My favorite game is badminton.
Good. Now who can do? With Akarsha. Okay.
Hi Niduvara.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I asked some questions from you.
Okay, sure.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat apple.
Why you select it?
To us, our healthy life. And I like apple. What do you like to eat?
I like to eat apples. Here, look at my apple picture.
To select it?
Because that is tasty. And that do you like to drink?
I like to drink milk. What do you like to drink?
I like to drink milk.
Why you select it?
Because that is healthy drink. And I like milk. What do you like to play?
I like to play chess.
Why you select it?
Because a very famous game and it's an international game.
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? All is well. May I ask some question from you? Okay, sure. What's the question? What do you like to eat? I like to eat pizza. Here, look at my picture. You select it. It is very tasty. Pizza has many sizes. And what do you like to eat? I like to eat rice and because it is a healthy food and it's our national food. Faluda. Here, look at my picture.
Vibodha, can you remember? What is the Lesat's favorite food? Can you remember? Vibodha.
No, teacher.
Who can remember? Don't tell Lesat. I want Lesat.
Pizza.
Is that pizza? Yes, I also can remember. Pizza. You are correct, Ravishma. Who can remember Idusha's favorite drink? Who can remember?
Faluda. Faluda.
Idusha,
Faluda.
is that correct? Idusha.
Yes, teacher.
Then okay. Now tell me, who can remember Senuli's favorite playing item?
Riding bicycle.
Riding bicycle.
Very good.
Riding bicycle.
Now tell me,
Riding bicycle.
favorite food I want. Who can remember? Don't tell Nadesh. Is that correct?
Orange.
Apple or orange? Give one. Wrong. Okay. Don't